So I stumbled into this 21, 23, and 25. Gosh, man, oh man, this may be it, guys. I'm pretty sure this may be it. So let's check it out. So 21, 23, 25 is the issue. So it comes into here, load goes up. This system, possibly the way it is, the control wiring. And remember I told you there has some dry contacts in the Ansel system. So it probably signals this to turn this off when there's a fire around the hood system. So what we have to do is check to see which ones are not engaging. Maybe just get another contactor like this provided for them and so forth. So let's do some troubleshooting. Okay, so 21, 23, and 20, 21, 23, and 25. Just put this here. All right, so we know that 21 works. Come on. So this is the culprit. This one also seems pretty beat up. But this is for the lighting, you see it? Oh, that's about to go. It's just getting hot. Don't know why they do that, but no. Wow. Well, so these may be the relays for this contactor. We'll see. Let's talk to the owner. All right, guys. So the outlet for the frying fries is not working. You look at here, we have a couple circuits. So these systems do work with an Ansel system. One of the legs is not working. I checked the breaker. The breaker's working, but not here. So usually this system has an Ansel system, or so when fire comes in, the system works in a different way. So it's gonna be right there. Hey. Yeah, this system is a little iffy, but and then sometimes the circuitry is the one that gives us a little problem. See, is that dark? Maybe, maybe not. So let's just check if that circuit is 10 gauge, which I think it is. It's 10 gauge wire. So usually what happens here, these contactors go faulty. So the power comes in here, L1, L2, and L3, and it gets dispersed here. We gotta be super careful because, yeah, this could get bad really fast. It's one of those things that, okay, 280. I think the yellow, man, this doesn't, I don't know, it's crazy. 280. Wow. Everything's working fine. I'm not sure why this one's here, but I don't see anything else that might help me to determine if there's some fault in here. Let's check these. Just, I'm pretty sure everything's working, or else none of this will be 280, 280, and 280. That would make sense for the fryer to come here, but yeah, love commercial, love restaurants. I did a couple restaurants. There are a pain in the butt. Well, I think right there, the extension cord got really messed up. And that's what happened. I don't know if you guys can see it. it's not fixing nothing because nothing's wrong. I mean obviously there's things that happen, like extension cord being smushed when they move the ice cream. $16. Dipper well. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. It's the dipper well. So we seen this outlet here, she has one there. The problem is these outlets are so hard to get into. I'm not sure why they did that, but we're gonna test this one. If it trips another breaker, or if it's the same one, I'm not sure. Okay, this one, it's not GFCI protected. So they connected it here because it didn't trip the breaker. Yeah, that is GFCI protected. Let's see which one that tripped. All right, so we tripped that breaker. Let's see here. You guys heard that, right? This one tripped, huh? No, I'm not going crazy. There we go. Let's see what's going on. Is it a repair or a replacement? That could be the GFCI breaker's tripping when she connects it to the Coke machine. So we're gonna see what's going on. So my supplier, I have given them a part number, and he actually looked at this. I took a picture, just wanted to make sure we get the same one. And he gave me 3 pole, but you know, you can actually put 6 incoming and 6 outgoing. So, but didn't realize that there was actually 3 more behind, so we need to get 3 more poles. Yeah, that sucks. But what you guys think? Just replace the guts and call it a day, or replace the whole box? I mean, they're paying good money for it, so why not do it the right way? Yeah, so let's get the show on the road, shall we? What we want to do is keep it the same way. Don't want to change anything. Now, we know that there's no power, right? Regardless, always act like there is. You never know. Why not just be extra precautious? Yes, I have no black electrical tape, just yellow, so bear with me, guys. Didn't do it on purpose. I just a little lazy to go to the truck. Plus I got less than 40 minutes to finish this job. I'm gonna change the box, even though the other one might fit just snug in there. Kind of feels a little tacky doing that. They paid pretty good money for this, so why not give them something that, you know, is compatible? I mean, especially imagine getting some new shoes, Nike with the Reebok logo. Just doesn't mesh well. 38, 40, 41. I do have my fluke, but I'm not gonna use it. Awesome. Just give it another check. I know these are the load motor loads. Another thing too that we can do, it's a little rusted. To just facilitate say for example, all these are paired up. And even though they're labeled, but it's always good to just tape them up. 25, 23, and this should be 25. This should be 27. Okay, awesome. Let me just, I can't see that last one. I think it is 27. 25. I'll take one up again, and this is 23. Or 21. Okay, never mind. 21, 23, 25. That's how you pair them. Once you know your numbers, everything else should be good to go. It is important to pair them up. Okay, so this one is your, see? And then the other ones will be the loads. And just in case you miss a number, it's always good just to tape them up. Just in case, I mean, not sure the exhaust will be affected. Yeah, it probably will because of the reverse sequence. It might take a little time, but man, it'll save you. It'll save you in the long run. Treat it like it's live. Teacher used to say, don't respect it, fear it. When you fear something, you're always going to be precautious. He was upwards in the 80 years old, good electrician, I think. Gave us some good pointers. You guys are wondering if I'm taking the tape out with my teeth. Yes, I'm a disgusting pig. I'm sorry about that. Been doing this for years. Beautiful. Now let's do the so I'm gonna be suffering right now, guys, because maybe you guys will see it. This box is a little bit more thicker than this one. So I'm gonna see, which I should have plenty of ammunition. And then the way they cut this, oh man. They made the holes with the hole saw. And I wasn't with the diamond bit. I could tell. I messed up. You know what I messed up in? I could have taken away the contactors. Made it super easy. Okay, now the way we do this, pretty simple. It's not simple. Could be simple, but it's not. So, thoughts, questions, concerns? You think I'll make it, guys? Can I go a little bit higher? So we had reducer washers, but we don't have the pair. So we need 3/4 to 1 inch, which is that one. So what would you guys do in this particular estate? Or what can we do? have all the tools available at your disposal and try to get her done, man. I mean, stop crying, and this is what makes an electrician better. Try to make sure you think outside the box. I'll step on it. Oh. Okay. Got it done.